Welcome to our channel. My name is Stacy and join us with this Pantry Clean with me today. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are tackling something that is absolutely horrible, and it's our pantry, okay? It is a disaster. Like, we have stuff everywhere in this thing. So we have teenagers and little kids, and they help themselves to the pantry all the time, and it gets turned upside down. And I don't know about y'all, but we are really bad about throwing stuff in there, and it just gets out of hand. So it is like majorly out of hand right now, and I'm gonna tackle it. I'm gonna turn on some music, and the kids are actually in their rooms playing right now. So I'm gonna tackle this pantry and get it in shape, because then we're going grocery shopping. So I don't want to go get groceries and then not be able to find a place to put them, or just pile them in there and make it even worse. So we're going to tackle the pantry. Hope you enjoy this, because it's going to be a mess. So of course I'm going to start out by taking everything out of the pantry and putting it on the cabinets. And yeah, we have a lot of stuff in here. I didn't even realize how much we had till I started taking it all out. Wow. So I almost dropped that. It was super close, like the lid was not on good, and I just about dropped that whole thing of powder in the floor. So my little kids came down and decided they would help. So I'm like, yes, I'll let you help. Here. This is perfect timing because I was like standing on the stool trying to get up and down, and they came down and I was like, yes, enlist their help. Yes, that is the dance that says, hey, I'm finished. I'm so happy. I finally got everything out. Get ready, watch for it, and I will drop the entire thing on the floor. Like, why did the lid not fit right? Really? Look at this, okay? There's like protein powder all over the floor. Yep, that really happened. So, of course, I grabbed my Thieves Cleaner from Young Living and I clean all the protein powder up after vacuuming it because it's all over the baseboards and the floor, everywhere. But hey, the Thieves works wonderful and it all came up super nice and clean. But it still does smell a little like chocolate in there. Okay, so now that that is all cleaned up, I can get back to putting all the things back in and trying to get them organized. Okay, so we have finished cleaning and purging the pantry, and it feels so much better. We got rid of a lot of stuff. So it is looking a little bare to me now because I'm really used to it having a lot of stuff in it and being crammed. But we did throw a bunch of stuff away. We have a few things that I'm moving to a different area, like paperwork and stuff I'm gonna move to the office. But we, it looks so much better. So I'm so happy with the results, but now it's time to go to the store and fill it up. So I'm gonna give you a look at what it looks like now. So it looks so much better now and more organized, and I just feel like it is a lot better. So we can actually find some things now and hit our head, right, Chandler? Yeah. All right, so that's our pantry. Say bye. Okay, so if you want to see more cleaning videos, then subscribe and like to our channel and comment below what kind of cleaning videos you would like to see. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.